Hello, YouTube. Crazy Robot Lady here. This robot has been on my bucket list for a long time now. About a year. Brief history lesson.
The world was rapidly changing. Robotics and science fiction were entering their golden age. Innovations in technology and work-saving devices for the home were becoming much more commonplace. Naturally, kids of the 50s wanted a robot pal to play with and defend the earth from the dangers of the unknown. Enter Ideal Toy Company and Robot Robot. Revolutionary for his time, he could walk forward and backward and turn using a hand-cranked remote. His eyes were lit by a single AA battery, but more than that, he could talk. How? Watch this unboxing and find out.
Okay, here we go. I have waited forever. Let's see. Okay, this end. Oh my. That ain't good. Okay. Let's see what we got here. A brief look at the box.
Original box.
Yep. Yes, this is the original box. Okay, I gotta breathe. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Everybody cross your fingers that it's in one piece. 'Cause I don't know. Oh my. Oh, I don't want to grip you like this, buddy. Oh crap. It's stuck. Breach. Ugh. Oh. Okay, what is that? Oh. This isn't part of it, is it? Oh no, it's part of the box. Oh my. What is this? Is this instructions? Are you kidding me?
That's the original manual.
What?
Original directions.
What? Yes! Okay. Okay. Now, let's look at this guy. Oh. Oh, that sounded terrible. Oh, get out of my way. I think we're missing the antenna thingy, but that isn't the end of the world. What is that, Daniel? Any idea?
Just some knob that lets you turn.
Okay. I don't know. Okay. So, I assume you just... Which way does this thing... Oh, like this. I've never done this before, okay? Lord, please don't let this break. Oh. now you go the other way. Ah! You caught on my shoe. And now it goes forward. And this is how you make it turn. Hold this little trigger thingy.
That's going forward.
Oh. Okay. It works. It's clunky. It probably needs a little oil or something. What is that? Is it just a random bunch of knobs?
I guess so.
I guess. Okay. Now, for the frightening moment of truth. This is what enables him to speak. This lovely little cranky thingy, right? Yeah. And I gotta figure out which way it goes. Okay, it goes this way. So let's... Okay, so that's the front, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, here it go. Let's see if he speaks. I'm so nervous right now. Oh, if he doesn't, I'm gonna be crushed, but suspense. Dum ba dum ba dum. Okay, enough suspense. Let's do it. Oops. I went the wrong way. Okay, so because I'm not very skilled at hand cranking, I went the wrong direction. So he became Robert the Devil for a second. The translation is, I am Robert Robot, mechanical man. Drive me and steer me wherever you can. Unfortunately, that was the first time I've ever done that. I'm used to battery-powered crap. So... Whoa. Yeah.
Let me see the camera up real quick, kind of. Tripod. I'm gonna hand it right here. There we go. Hopefully, come on. There we go. I'll see if I can hand crank them.
Yeah, see if you can do any better. Ah!
Ugh. Here, bud.
Slow down. Not that slow.
It works.
We basically, yeah. So there we go, you guys. This will probably be the next to the last video for the year because I've got to like save up for Christmas and everything. So there will be one more video after this one. And then we will go into a brief hiatus unless you guys have requests of other robots that you want to see that I already own. You know, behavior changes, software differences, different modes, anything like that. You know, just put them in the comments or somewhere, and I will do my best to make your request videos. I hope you all enjoyed this because I certainly did. Like, subscribe, comment, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.